Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the decimal format map function. We'll use the hello aggregation example from a prior video, so go take a look at that to refresh your memory. But I guess what we'll do is clone this project and use that as a starting point. And we'll call this hello decimal format. And if you recall, we used the aggregation function on an array of employees where we had employee name, the department, and also a salary. And we aggregated that into an array of data which had the department, the number of employees called count, and the total salary. And that was all configured as such. So I'll just run this real quickly to look at the data. And if I look here at the aggregated data, you see here the total salary, the department, and the count. Now let's say we had to post this data to a backend, and that backend required the salary total to be formatted as currency. So that's what we're going to do in this example. So we are going to take this document array, I'm going to copy it, and we're going to paste it here, and this is decimal formatted, and we will drag the results there. So I'm really going to have a duplicate. Now the difference is I'm going to delete salary total. Let me copy the path first, make sure I spell it correctly, and then I'll delete that. And now let's add a string variable called salary total because it was an integer, as you could see above. And we do need it as a string, so we could add the $sign and add the commas and have it look properly formatted. Okay, so if I run this, it'll look exactly the same. I really have two copies of it now. All right, so it looks exactly the same. All right, now what we'll do, we'll add a map component. And what I'll do is add a decimal format. Map function. And I'll grab the data out of here. It's really the same. I can grab it out of either. I guess I'll do it out of here. And let's put the result right back in to the salary total as a string. And you can look at the online documentation for the formatting, but it's pretty simple. I'll add the $sign literal, and then I'll add pound for my integers. Depends how large your integer might be. And then I'll add .00 and save that, and save. And now when I run it, you'll see nicely formatted salary totals. And also did not need to use a loop for this because I was doing a simple transformation on the properties. So in this video we saw how to use the decimal format map function to convert our integer salaries to nicely formatted currency. Thank you.